Hey, what's up guys, it's Ashe. So folding smartphones are slowly becoming a thing more and more. A couple of months ago, they weren't a thing, now they are. So for the past couple of months and weeks, they were rumoring of some kind of foldable phone, but nothing actually come to reality. Samsung is one of those positions where they can just try crazy stuff with screens. That's kind of their thing. They are so good at displays now. So Samsung shows us in developer conference their concept of 4 new displays, which includes Infinity U, Infinity V, Infinity O, and the new Infinity display, which they are going to include in their upcoming phones. A couple of days ago, a pretty unknown company called Royal Corporation unveiled a smartphone called the Flex Pi. So the Royal Flex Pi, the world's first foldable smartphone, and without getting hands-on, just judging it from the hands-on footage, this is the ugliest thing I have ever seen. It barely folds. It kind of more of bend in the middle. It looks uncomfortable to hold. Around the same time, Samsung had been sort of teasing that they are going to unveil their foldable smartphone. They changed their profile picture to a bent Samsung logo, which they changed it back the next day. But it's just kind of a clever marketing and trolling at the same time. And then it finally happened. So last week on the stage of developer conference, Samsung unveiled their version of flexible smartphone. It called the Infinity Flex display. It folds the other way inward and what's shown on stage like this after they dim the lights, opening and closing from a tablet size to phone size. Already looking better than the Flex Pi. So there was a reason it went dark in there. This is very unfinished. Samsung said the actual phone is coming hopefully next year in 2019, and even when it does, if it does, it's a first generation stuff, so we should not expect too polished. But what we are looking on the stage was not some finalized completed folding phone that you can buy sometime soon. Here is a clear look from where they left the light on, and right there you can see the gigantic bezels and rest of the device pretty clearly, including a crease down the middle where it folds. Samsung on stage said it's in the sort of case to hide the final design, but we can be pretty sure they don't have a final design yet. What Samsung is aiming for can be found in some diagrams later in Samsung presentation, and you can see it still has some top and bottom bezels which will be pretty thick. The overall entire device will also be pretty thick. We got some specs from Samsung to see the plan for the folded phone. For the folded phone size, they are aiming for it to be a 4.6-inch display, 1960 by 840, and when it's unfolded, the tablet size would be 7.3 inch at 2152 by 1536. On the other hand, Samsung is going to release the One UI for its latest smartphones. It's a basically skin over Android 9 Pie. So there is a new feature in which you can use 3 multi-active windows, and hopefully it's only for the folding phone. Around the same time, we also did get Google announcing Android is going to support folding displays natively. So that should help smooth some things over, especially in graphics department. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Peace.